Namaste. My greetings to all the dignitaries present here to celebrate the 125th anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And greetings to all those of you who are watching this. At a time when human dignity was at its lowest, cruelty, violence, religious dogmas was clogging our society, the birth of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar came as a boon to humanity, boon to the world at large and Indian society in particular. A man of deep understanding, compassion and commitment, and a vision, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been the modern architect of India as we see today. He fought against oppression. He fought against caste system, illiteracy, poverty, and provided an equal opportunity for all men and women. He inspired people to rebel against the meaningless customs and traditions which were followed for centuries. He was a deeply spiritual person who loved meditation, who followed the teachings of Buddha. He loved the philosophy of Sant Kabir. And also, that less known fact about him was he was a deep scholar in Sanskrit as well. He even mooted a resolution to adopt Sanskrit as the national language of India, because that's the mother of all Indian languages. So B.R. Ambedkar's personality was like such a complete personality. From every angle you see that here is a man who is standing for the welfare of human beings on the planet. Here is someone who is committed all his life for equality, justice and peace. Today, on this occasion of his 125th birth anniversary, we all must take a commitment to eliminate injustice, disparity, oppression of human rights, uplift human values in every nook and corner of our planet. The way to pay homage to a man who has committed his life for upliftment of human dignity can only be celebrated by working for that cause which he stood all his life. Jai Hind. Namaste.